Colorado, one shoplifting call to Dollar General, and a woman who never stopped saying she wasn't there.
No, call the real police. No, call the police. No, no.
You're making it harder on yourself.
I don't have nothing.
Listen, you just said
I didn't come from the Dollar General.
You're gonna get more charges.
No, I didn't come from no Dollar General. No. Call the real police. I stayed right there. I didn't do nothing. I didn't come from no Dollar General. Bye.
Even though you're lying to me.
Okay, I wasn't at the store. You can let me go. I was right over there. I was not at the store.
You were inside the store and they confirmed
No, I wasn't in the store.
You keep saying you weren't, but the cameras say otherwise.
This encounter.
No, I'm not putting my hands behind my back. No, call the real police. No.
Put your hands behind your
You
back.
came all the way up here. No, I don't have anything.
Put your hands behind your back now, or I'm
No, I'm not putting my hands behind my back. No. I don't have anything.
Put your hands behind your back, or I'm gonna tase you.
No. What you want?
Listen, you're being detained right now.
Being detained for what?
Because you just came from Dollar General.
No, no, sir. I just came from Dollar General and I was returning something.
Like I said.
I was returning this, sir.
Like I said, put your hands behind your back.
I'm not putting my hands behind my back.
If you resist, you're gonna get another charge.
No, don't touch me. Do not touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
One more time.
Don't touch me. Okay, go to that house right now. I did not come from no Dollar General. Okay, I didn't come. No, I didn't come from Dollar General. No, I didn't.
You just said you did.
I just walked down the street. I didn't come from Dollar General.
I'll tell you again. Cameras show.
No, I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing. No, I don't have nothing. Don't walk up on me.
I'm gonna tell you again.
I don't have anything. I didn't come from Dollar General.
You resist.
Okay, can you call another police? I live right there. I didn't go anywhere. No, I don't have anything. No, I'm not putting my hands behind my back. Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Resist.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! I don't have anything! Do not, excuse me!
Do not resist.
Excuse me, sir!
Do not resist.
You can go in the house and get that man right there. I don't have anything!
Thank you.
Excuse me!
13 Alpha 32. I have one black female detained.
Excuse me!
You can make this a lot
I don't
easier.
have anything. No, I didn't just come from Dollar General. Hey! Excuse me! Excuse me! Don't knock on the door! Excuse me!
Like I said.
Excuse me, sir. Can you go knock on the door? Can you go knock on the door? Excuse me! Can you knock on the door? Right there!
Let go.
Excuse me!
Let go.
No!
Let go.
Can you knock on the door? No! Can you knock on the door right there? I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing. No, I don't have nothing. Do not touch me. No, I didn't do anything. Don't touch me. I don't have anything. I don't have anything. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I'm not going nowhere. I didn't come from no Dollar General. I just was walking down the street.
Stole from the store?
I didn't go to Dollar General. No, I'm not going nowhere.
Me to the car.
No, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Go ahead and sit in the car.
I don't have nothing. I don't got nothing from Dollar General.
Go ahead and sit.
I don't have anything, no. No, I don't have nothing, sir. No, I don't got nothing.
Go ahead and go inside.
Excuse me. Can you go get that man from right there?
Ma'am, listen.
No, I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing.
Listen, you're making it harder.
Excuse me.
Nobody's gonna help you.
Can you go down the street and get that man? I don't have nothing. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. No, don't touch me. Don't touch me. No. No, call the real police. No.
Go ahead.
No.
So maybe you. Go ahead and go inside.
No, call the real police. No, call the police. No.
You're making it harder on yourself.
I don't have nothing.
Listen, you just said
I didn't come from the Dollar General.
You're gonna get more charges.
No, I didn't come from no Dollar General. No. Call the real police. I stayed right there. I didn't do nothing. I didn't come from no Dollar General. Bye.
Go inside.
No.
Go inside. I'm asking you nicely. Go inside.
come from Dollar General. I was just walking down the street. No, excuse me.
Okay.
Can you call the real police?
I'm asking you to go inside.
Can you call the real police?
I'm asking you to go
Call the
inside.
real police.
I'm asking you to go inside. Very nicely.
No, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I'm asking you.
I don't have anything. Don't touch me.
I'm asking you real nicely to go inside.
Andre!
Okay. You're gonna go inside. Come on.
Andre!
Come on. Go inside.
Andre!
Go inside.
Andre!
Thank you.
The initial
Always have this. This. Let's do these.
Sir, I didn't steal nothing from no dollar store. I was walking down the street. I didn't go to the dollar store.
Alright, so I already confirmed anyways that you were at the store even though you lied to me.
Okay, I wasn't at the store. You can let me go. I was right over there. I was not at the store.
You were inside the store and they confirmed
No,
it.
I wasn't in the store. I wasn't in the store.
What's your first name?
Beverly Williams. You can let me out. I don't have nothing.
Beverly Williams.
Yeah.
You got a middle initial?
Hey.
Okay. What's your date of birth?
43088. I stay right there. You can let me go. I didn't go to no dollar store.
430 what?
43088.
Okay. What's your phone number?
Why? Tell him to come and get me out of here.
Again, 201 what?
I don't have nothing.
Well, you keep lying. I asked you if you went in the store. You said no.
No, I didn't go in the store.
You were in the camera in the store.
No, I didn't go in the store, sir.
You are on the camera inside the store.
No, I didn't go in the store.
Okay. You were.
I didn't go in the store.
Okay.
I didn't go in the store.
Okay.
Let me go. I stay right there. I didn't go in no store. I'm right down the street from the house. You can let me go.
Can't do that just yet.
On June 30th of 2024, an officer responded to a shoplifting report and located a suspect nearby. The stop was simple. What followed was not. Shoplifting under $300 in Colorado is a petty offense. Low stakes, low penalty. None of that stopped this from turning into a resisting arrest charge within minutes. She denies coming from the store. Then she says she was returning something to it. Two different stories seconds apart. That gap is where this case was built. Under Illinois versus Wardlow, inconsistent statements are a legitimate factor in probable cause. She kept talking. Every version she gave made the officer's case stronger, not weaker. Within seconds of contact, officers threaten a taser. She has no weapon. She isn't running. Under Graham versus Connor, force has to match the threat. A petty offense isn't much of one. Colorado law also requires officers to attempt de-escalation before threatening force. That step is missing here.
I wasn't at the dollar store.
Okay.
I wasn't at no dollar store.
Okay.
You can call that person right there. You call my baby come get me out of here.
Well, you can't leave just yet, so.
I'm right down the street. My house right there where that Magnum at. Where that white Magnum. I didn't take anything from no store. I was at Dollar General.
You keep saying you weren't, but the camera say otherwise.
No, I wasn't at Dollar General. You didn't see me at no Dollar General on no cameras. Let me out of here. I didn't take anything from the store.
No, ma'am, you're detained for right now. As long as we're investigating this crime.
Okay, can you call another police? I didn't take anything.
The other police officer is the one that's at the store trying to investigate everything. And you'll be able to be the one that you talk to. Okay?
Sir, you just tried to give me HIV. Do not touch me.
Okay, that's
Yes,
not
you
how,
did.
that's not how you
Yes,
touch
you
words.
did, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
you did.
She pulls away. She refuses to be cuffed. That refusal becomes its own separate charge. Under Colorado law, resisting arrest stands on its own. It doesn't matter if the arrest itself was lawful. She could have stayed silent and fought this in court. Instead, she argued her way into it. Store cameras eventually confirm exactly what she denied from the very first sentence. She's charged with 1 count of resisting arrest. She is presumed innocent unless proven otherwise. The officers get a B-. The stop was legally sound. The taser threat came too fast. Beverly Williams gets a D+. Her contradictions did more damage than the officer ever could. 3 quick lessons from this stop. Compliance doesn't waive your right to fight the stop in court later. Anything said during a detention can be used against you. Silence is almost always the safer move. An officer still have to try de-escalation first. A threat is not a substitute for that step. What do you think this stop should have looked like? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe for more body cam breakdowns, the moments people don't expect to end up on camera.
Yes, ma'am.
The subject's contradictory